So that was 1/4 of a cup chickpea flour.
Very cool.
Okay, so total that was about 6 tablespoons chickpea flour, and I'm adding 3/4 of a cup agave. All right, we've got creamy avocado glop.
Oh man! And Brent came over and hooked up the tank. I had to buy the tank and get it filled. The tank was $50. Filling it was $17, but my little brother said it would probably last me 2 years if I.
Okay, that's 2 teaspoons mango powder, 1 teaspoon lime powder, 1 cup spelt flour, ½ teaspoon of sea salt. I would have put it in earlier, but it's not that. 1/4 cup water, spring water.
Here's my first tomato.
There we go. It looks like guac. These are dried baby bananas from Trader Joe's, chopped up into, not quite diced. They're chunks, like big chocolate chips, like chocolate chunks size. A handful of dried cherries. These have nothing added to them. They're just cherries.
What if they're open today? They are. So. And any of that classification entering the United States has to have your vaccine. And so she asked me, but he's been here for almost 3 years with the whole COVID thing. You know, he can come just because he says, what's that have to do with health?
Nothing.
Nothing.
It never has been.
But it's not.
It's a joke. It's about health.
You can't work like enter the United States unless you're if you're and I'm just and so British like, why not? Why is it if they're worried about carrying COVID into our country?
Right, I need to check on the brownies. I better go in and grab them before the timer goes off. Such a nice day. 1:40 left, just in time. Let's see what we got. Ooh, did it burn around the edge? Mango, lime, cherry. This is gonna be good, I can tell. Yum. Smells amazing. All right, took the brownies out of the oven. Well, they're not really brownies, they're more like Blondies or mango cookie bars or something. But anyway, they're alkaline vegan and they smell and look amazing. I can't wait to try some when they cool off a little bit. But right now I'm gonna go back out to the pool, wash the whole grate.
Well, I wouldn't have. Nobody told me you could do that. And actually it wasn't bad even because
That chunk is falling. All right, I guess I'm trying this right here because cherry is soft and gooey. I taste a bit baby banana. That's what that is. Wow. I think that was a success. Yeah, it's sweet, a little bit fruity, not super fruity, a little bit cookie. It's not like
it's more
fruit
cookie
cake.
than brownie.
Yeah, it's like a cookie bar with cherries. The edges are good. Ooh, the edges are really good.
one has a ton of cherries.
All right, here's a close-up of the underneath. It's like a fig Newton.
Yeah.
But better. It's fruit and cake. This is fruit and cake. Is this a Newton? This is better though.
I wonder